You need to learn German. You just don't know it yet.
Schmetterling!
After watching this video, you will have no more excuses not to study German. Wanna bet? It's not by chance that German is the language of poets and philosophers.
You need to take control of the life you're giving. They call me Uber, Mensch, 'cause I'm so...
There is no other language in the world that allows you to express your thoughts as exact. And with the following examples, I will show you why. In the German language, you can connect words endlessly, letting you create new words no one ever used before. This is amazing, I know, but the longest official word has been until recently this one. Rindfleischetikettungsüberwachungsaufgabenübertragungsgesetz, which describes a law dealing with the supervision of the labeling of beef. Beautiful, isn't it? That you can connect words like that is so efficient that most of the time you don't have to explain a situation or a status. There is most likely a word for it, just by connecting. Two nice little examples are verschlimmbessern, meaning making something worse while actually trying to make it better. Or the word Kummerspeck, literally grief bacon, referring to the excess weight that is gained from emotional overeating, especially during times of sadness. To be honest, it's just more fun and logic to structure language like that. It just makes so much more sense. Knowing that, will you still call German a difficult language? Most memes focus on the complicated aspects of the German language. But German has also a few words that simplify your everyday. Just take the word bitte. You can use this word in so many different situations. You just have to vocalize it differently. Bitte? Bitte. 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 Bitte? These things are all fun and games, but you really want to learn German for the vast job opportunities that await you here. Rise and grind. The meeting starts in 2 minutes. Don't be late. Yeah, I'm coming. It is Europe's biggest and strongest economy after all. Maybe that's why German is the most widely spoken language in the European Union. Yes, it's almost 100 million people. It will also open your gateway to a world-class higher education with its countless universities, which by the way, are free of charge.
Sounds pretty communist if you ask me.
But you don't even have to go to Germany to use your German. Germans are everywhere. They will find you. German citizens are some of the most travel hungry in the world. No matter if you're hiking a volcano in Guatemala, go on an African safari, or drive around the hinterland of India, you can be sure to meet a German there. In fact, German people are the record holder of money spent on international travel. And when you know German, that money may go in your pockets. If it's not money you're after, maybe it's love. And having a German partner will never make you lack romance. They will even sing for you.
Ohne dich kann ich nicht sein, ohne dich. Mit dir bin ich auch allein, ohne dich, ohne dich.
If you're not convinced yet, something's seriously wrong with you. And before you start looking at shitty in-person German courses, wait. There's this online course I'm starring in that will teach you a whole level of German in just 10 weeks. Last year we already launched A1, A2 and B1, and this week is the launch of B2. With this course, studying German won't feel like work anymore. It's interactive, it's fun, and it's using a special teaching method called chunking, which focuses on high frequency patterns, chunks, that native speakers use, so the structure of the language comes naturally to your brain. The new B2 course is a bit different from the previous ones, because we're not just teaching you German, but also taking you on a trip around all Germany, showing you the local culture and sights of the country. So what are you waiting for? Go to the link in the description and check out all the details. And if you sign up this week, you will even get a juicy discount. I hope I see you in the course. Happy studying! Wir nehmen euch mit auf eine Tour quer durchs Land.
Genau, und da werden wir ganz viele verschiedene Bundesländer besuchen.